Hello, good morning. I am Aary Nature. I am again, yes friends, I am again with the third part of how to take care of the nature. Now, in my science class of the school, there is one lesson, human body. But in the last part, this page is the last part of that lesson. Here is how to take care of the nature. Okay, but first, I will tell you one secret about ACs. They cool our room but hurt the environment because they take the air from the environment and cool it. But some part of the air not cools and it becomes more hot, and the acids throw that air in the environment. That's why it is harming our environment. Please use fans, any type of fans. Okay, now I will talk about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a mission to keep India clean. It is biggest cleanest drive in India. We should take part in the mission. Please take part in this mission. I have taken part in this mission by sending you these videos on YouTube and WhatsApp. In first video, I have told to share my video. Not first one only, all the 3 videos. Okay. Then they will share on WhatsApp, Facebook. I have taken on YouTube, WhatsApp one time. Because WhatsApp, it will go and see. This is my phone and this is another's phone. And this part 3, 4, 5, 6. My 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this it will happen. Okay then. We should also keep our classroom, school, home, neighborhood and city clean. Let us make India clean and healthy. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was started on 2nd October 2014 by Shri Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India. Okay then, how to take care of environment? Here are 4 tips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay then, I will tell you first, no trees, no life. In my first and second video, I have tell you don't cut trees, plant more trees. Here is also given. All the nature lovers says don't cut trees. Here also is given no trees, no life. Okay. Then here is save water. I have also told to save water. Here it save energy. Means electricity. I have told you less use of energy. Means electricity. Okay. Make less impact on the environment. Okay. So I will tell you first, make less impact on the environment. Okay, then how to take impact? Always put garbage in a dustbin. There are 2 dustbins. dustbin is blue. Yeah. One dustbin is blue. In this activity it is given blue and green. In green dustbin you have to throw paper, fruits and vegetable peels, dry leaves, waste wood. Means all the friendly things with environment. And in the blue dustbin we have to throw plastic, glass bottles, aluminium foil, metal scrap. Means these all things are not friendly with environment. That's why in blue. And I think you have understood the meaning of green dustbin, environmental. Okay. Then now in case you cannot find a bin, take it home and dispose of it. Yes, I know all the people have dustbins at their home. If there is no dustbin in the home or out of the home, you have to find on the roads. Some societies has main dustbin in the ground. Yeah. Okay then. Next. Write on both sides of a paper. Okay. Both the sides we have to write. If both sides are returnable, we should write at both the sides. If we write on one side only, it will wastage of paper. And wastage of paper means wastage of trees. Here it is one example also. No trees, no life. Okay, then save paper I have shown. Save wood I have shown in the first video's drawings. Okay, then what is next? Use the non-printed side of a printed paper to do rough work. Save paper to save trees. I have just now told you no trees, no life means save trees. In the last statement, here is also given save papers to save trees. Okay. Then now printed paper means what? Now see, this is my science book. This cover side is printed, but this side is rough. But do not draw on the rough side of the book cover on the paper, printed paper. I have tell one example. Like last year, I have not computer book on the exam time. So my dad has taken the book printouts and one side was rough. I have write so many things on that side. Okay, then next. Plant more trees as they give us oxygen and shade. Okay, oxygen we take from trees. Okay, how the trees give us oxygen? Oxygen is air from beginning. No, that is not true. Okay, then you know the photosynthesis, food making process of plants. In that photosynthesis, the plants waste of air is oxygen and that we breathe in. Okay, then next. Do not waste food. Take only as much food as you can eat. Okay then. Food is taken from trees, plants like mangoes grow on mango tree. rice plant. Okay, then next, say no to plastic bags. Yes, plastic is harmful for the nature. Just now I have tell you dustbins. In blue dustbins, not friendly things are there. Okay. There is plastic bottle also. Not only plastic bottle. All the things of plastic. All. Means now. See. In outside. Anywhere. We can see too much of plastic na. Yes. Today. The blue dustbin and green dustbin is also made from plastic. It is good. No, na. We should use metal. Okay, then metal we can make. But what are the plastic bottles? We can make plastic as well as metal bottles also. Okay. Then now, what out of all the things that are made by plastic? Okay, then plastic bags. There are cloth bags, cotton bags. Okay, then next. Take a jute or cloth bag when you go shopping. I have just now tell you cloth or jute bag we have to take. Okay, then save water. Okay, then how to save water? We drink 10 glass in the day of water. Save water by closing the taps properly. Okay, then I have one activity for you. I will tell that at the last. Avoid the use of a shower because we use shower why to bath. Not only that shower is going on our head, body. We feel nice. That's why we keep bathing. That's why it wastage of water it is. Okay, then next, use a bucket of water to wash your bike, car or bath pet animals. Not only pet animals, cars and bikes, scooters. We also need to bath with a bucket. Next, use a watering can to water plants in the garden rather than using a house. Okay, then in the big gardens there are sprays over on the plant. But sometimes they mistake one. If someone didn't close that shower, it will showering on the plants. The plants also will die and it will wastage of water. Okay, then collect rainwater and use it to water the plants or for washing a car or bike. Rainwater we have to collect. Okay, then what is done? Okay, save energy. Then why have to we save energy? Because energy provides electricity, and if the plants got a shock of electricity, it can get fire. Okay, then fires burn. The plants will burn. If the sprinklers wire will come on the plants in big gardens, what will be happen? The plants will die, burn. The plastic house of the plants, it will be also burn, and very bad smell. If the plastic burn, it will get very bad smell. Sprinklers wire it is because sprinklers doesn't work. We have to spray water, then it will also wastage of water. Okay, do not switch on lights during the day. Okay, then next, unplug appliances that are not in use. Like, now I am in this room. There is the TV. I am not seeing. My mother is saying. But if my mother is not seeing that TV, then it can't be on. It should be off. It will be on, then it is waste of energy. Okay, switch off the computer, TV or radio when you are not using it. Okay, then I have got the example now. Okay, then use LEDs instead of CFLs and incandescent bulbs. Okay, then now what's next? They cosmos less power and last longer. Switch off lights and fans when you leave the room. Now, in my example, there is also if my mother is not seeing I am here in another room, the TV should be off. Lights of that room should be off. If I am any people from my family. Okay, then we have to come in the last of these tips. No trees, no lives. There are some small tips. Do not cut a tree unless it is very important. Yes, we can't live without furniture. We can't sleep. Okay, then furniture is very important thing. Then we have to cut trees, but not 1,000 trees for one furniture. Only 1 tree or 2. Create awareness among people about the importance of trees and their conversions. Okay, then I have told more. Trees give oxygen. Do not cut trees. This is very important things about trees. Okay, then what is next? Use cloth napkins instead of paper napkins. Save paper. Okay, here is also save paper. Here in these tips there are 2 times save paper. Okay, then paper napkins like paper napkin, tissue paper. Plant as many trees as possible and take care of them. Okay. Then next, first I will tell you that activity. Okay. Then take a ball, transparent ball, not like that ball, what is that? Dibby. That dibby take, but circle type dibby, okay, and transparent. Put some water in that dibby and okay, waterproof paper. Take waterproof paper and draw our world on it, and in between write save world. Save world means save nature, and make a circle of it, cylinder shape like that, and put it in that dibby of water, okay. And then tree absorb sound and reduction noisy pollution. Trees help in bringing rain. Okay then, why to bring rain? Water cycle, you know, the rain clouds only, it comes only rain clouds on the sea, top of the sea. The trees provide air, that's why the air moves and the clouds also move, and that's why we got air on that land. Okay then, what is next? The roots of trees bend the soil and protect it from being carried away by wind or water. Okay then, if the water takes the soil, we can't live on this land because the land mixed with the water. If air was taken, it will in air. We can't live on the land. Okay then. Now my video is finished. Thank you for watching, and share my all the videos about earth and nature. Okay, one more thing. If the nature is not there, we will also not there, because we also are part of the nature, and the nature chain, it comes to us from anyway. Like from trees, a chain comes on the living things. For oxygen, it comes the chain trees to us. That's why. And now my video is really finished. Thank you. Goodbye.